तो गाइस जब भी आपको फोर्ड की गाड़ी लेनी हो तो नारायण फोर्ड में आइए और भैया से मिलिए। भैया क्या नाम है आपका?
हेलो, मेरा नाम अमरनाथ सिंह है।
या इनके पास ही आइए जब भी फोर्ड की गाड़ी लेना हो। सिनेमैटिक के साथ स्टार्ट करते हैं।
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found for you and our safe and sound.
So hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to do the review of Ford Aspire. This is the key of the vehicle, and if you want to see the front look of the vehicle, it is like this. It is in golden color and looks great as well. Let's go to the headlamp of the vehicle. It is a halogen unit, not a LED or a projector. Here you get the parking bulb. This is the indicator unit, and under that you get the fog lamp as well. The overall front look is like this. There is the Ford logo also. Let's move to the side of the vehicle. So it is a sedan. You can see floating roof appearance over there, but this is the side look of the vehicle. There are the alloy wheels. Let's move to them. So these are the dual tone diamond cut alloy wheels. It is 195/55 R15, and the overall side look is like this. These are the ORVM along with that turn indicator also. Let's move to the rear. This is the tail lamp of the car. If you want to see, these are the halogen bulbs over here. This is the titanium variant. I don't know it is plus or not. TDCI diesel engine variant Beijing, and this is the rear look of the car. Let's open the boot. So it gets power tailgate. If you want to open it, you press it twice and the boot will be opened like this. It gets a pressurized system, and the loading lip is a bit high, but other than that there is no problem in the boot, and the size of the boot will be written over here. Here you get the light as well. Let me open this. Yeah, this is the spare wheel of the car, and it is also the same size. That is good. No insulation over there. It should be here, but it is not. Let's close the boot also. Yeah, now let's get to the rear door of the car. Let me open it. It's kind of light because earlier I was reviewing the Endeavour and it was so heavy, but it is light. These are the dual tone door finish, and this is designed in black along with this beige finish as well. This is a power window switch of the car. From here you can put your hand and close the door. This is the soft touch material. Let's sit inside the car, and it is kind of low, but the under thigh support is kind of great, but these rails are kind of annoying as such. You have to keep them like this. You cannot stretch them like this. That is a problem. Other than that, there is ample amount of under thigh support, good amount of headroom also, and nice amount of leg room and knee room also. 3 people can't sit here because there is no central headrest, but you do not get any kind of armrest also. That is a disappointment, guys. Even nothing stuff like that, but if you want to see the dashboard, it is like this. And now let's move to the front driver side door of the vehicle. So let's open it. Yeah, it is like this. You can see dual tone. Again, there is a softest treatment. This is the speaker of the vehicle. Here is the door opener of the car, and these are the power window switches. From here you can control the ORVM of your car, and here are the headlights control also. You do not get any kind of electric adjustment. That is okay with this budget. And this is the 6-way adjustable seat. Let me sit inside and close the door as well. Yeah, door shuts with a thud in this vehicle also. Let me pull the seat all the way behind. Yeah, now it is over here. Let me turn on the ignition of the vehicle. If you want to see that how the MID behaves when we turn on the ignition, then see this. It does not get any kind of swipe up. This is the steering wheel, piano black treatment over here. This is a Ford badging, and here you can see these are the controls related to that screen. That is the dash top, and it looks nice. This is the wiper control, and here you can see these are the indicators control. There is the headlight control. Let me show you that as well. Yeah, now you can see it. And overall dashboard looks nice. Let's move to the central console. This is the music system of the vehicle, and you can see FM, AM, everything. Actual response of the music system is also good. Yeah, you can see navigation also, and other than that audio, you can connect your Bluetooth also. Settings, it is a desktop unit, it does not get any kind of hang or lag. Now let's do the audio check right away.
जी हाँ
Ford is also going to leave India, so it is saying Lambi Judai. But let's leave this. Here you get that piano black treatment, and the audio quality of the vehicle is great. Let me tell you that. These are the volume controls over here, and these are other controls related to this. From here you can set the tune also, and this is the hazard lamp switch, and under that you can see automatic climate control and turn the flash on. Now you can see over here, this is the 12V charging socket, and here is the aux port as well. This is the USB port. Let us put the car in reverse. You can see here you get the reverse parking camera, which has decent kind of quality, and you get guidelines, but those are not adaptive. This is the handbrake of the vehicle. Here are the storage spaces also. These are two bottle holders over here along with this bottle holder as well. And let me check the sunshade, so it does not get anything over here. These are the lights of the vehicle along with this black switch. This is the mic of the vehicle. This is the sun visor of the co-passenger, and it gets a mirror as I've shown you already. This is the diesel variant, so it gets 6 airbags, and you can see airbag over here as well. On the glow box of the vehicle, you can see over here, and you do not get any kind of light, but it gets cooling function, I think. No, it does not. And let me tell you guys, Ford love third, because that glove box also shuts with a third. The overall dashboard design is like that. That was the review of the Ford Aspire. I hope you have enjoyed it. If yes, then give it a thumbs up. That is the like button. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.